Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh. Today our group will present about annuity and trade and cash discount. Our lecturer's name is Wan Nur Hayati binti Wan Abdul Aziz. Our group name is A4AC1101G. This is our group members.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Najmi and my student ID is 2022886678 and I'm going to talk about annuity. First of all, annuity concepts enable people to plan for the future in terms of investment and savings. For the introduction of annuity, annuities are usually equal payments over a period of time. For example of annuity is short rentals, insurance, annual dividend, and installment payments. Annuity have many classes, which is annuity due, annuity certain, general annuity, perpetuity, and others. In this chapter, we mainly discuss ordinary annuity certain, where payments are made at the end of the payment period, and the interest and payment period are of the same interval. Future value of ordinary annuity certain is the sum of all the future values of the periodic payments. For the formula for future values is Sn equal R bracket 1 plus I power n minus 1 over I bracket. Okay, for the formula for interest earned is I equal S minus n times R. Okay, for the second one, for the annuity is present value of ordinary annuity certain. It's the sum of the all present value of the periodic payments. And the formula for present values is An equal R bracket 1 minus bracket 1 plus I bracket power negative n over I bracket. And the formula for the interest paid is I equal n times R minus A. So here these all the symbols meanings, which is R is periodic payment of annuity, K is annual rate of interest, M is number of times interest is compound in a year, can be monthly, can be weekly, and others. I equal K over M is rate of interest for each interest period. Sn sum of annuity with n interest periods. An is present value with n interest period.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Amar bin Manasih. My ID student is 2022644192. So, uh, the example question for annuity is Rahim bought a land and paid off RM 150,000. He took a loan that charged of 3% compound monthly. Rahim repaid the loan in 35 years' time with monthly payment RM 1,880. So we point out our point. Cost is RM 150,000. N is M times T, 12 times 35, and N equal to 420. T is equal to 35. R is monthly payment. R is equal to RM 1,880. I is R over M, 0.03 over 12. So I is equal to 0.0025. R is equal to 0.03. M is equal to 12. So for the one Roman, the cash price of the land. So if we need to find the cash price of the land, we need to use present value formula, that is An is equal to R in the bracket 1 minus in the bracket 1 plus I power of negative n over I. So the answer is RM 638,501 and 77 cents. Okay, so move on for the number 2 Roman. Find the total interest charge. So the formula is I is equal to Rn minus A. So we get the answer is RM 301,098 and 23 cents. So for the number 3 Roman, Rahim failed to make 6 monthly payments and the payment must be settled on 7 payments. How much is the total payment? So if we fail to make a payment for a certain month, we need to use future value, that is Sn is equal to R in the bracket 1 plus I power of n minus 1 over I. So we get the answer is 78,984 and 82 cents. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Daniel Haikal. My student ID is 2022851766 and I'm going to talk about trade and cash discount. So first of all, what is trade discount? Trade discount is retailers usually pay for the goods at lower price than the list prices. The prices that the retailers pay after reduction in prices are called the net prices. The difference between the list price and the net price is called the trade discount. So for the trade discount formula, first of all we have trade discount equals to list price minus net price, which is TD equals to LP minus NP. Second, we have amount of trade discount equals to list price multiplied by trade discount rate, which is TD equals to LP multiplied by T. So what is cash discount? Cash discount is deduction allowed by the seller of goods to motivate the customers to pay within a specified time. The seller of goods also want to encourage prompt payment. The credit terms which comprise the cash discount rate and the credit period are usually shown in the invoice. Here we have formula for chain discount, which is NP equals to L1 in bracket 1 minus R1 times in bracket 1 minus R2 times in bracket 1 minus R3. So second formula, we have formula for single discount equivalent, which is R equals to 1 minus in bracket 1 minus R1 times in bracket 1 minus R2 times in bracket 1 minus R3.
Okay, we will discuss about question now. A wholesaler gives trade discount 50%, 12%, and 8% to his regular customer. He sent an invoice dated 10 October 2020 with cash term 815 for 35 and N50 for the product listed RM 50,555. The payment was made 15 days after the date of invoice. Calculate the number 1, single discount rate equivalent to the given trade discount. Number 2, amount of the trade discount received. Number 3, total payment made. And lastly, last date to get 8% cash discount. To answer this question, you need to list all the information given on the question to make you more easy to answer the question. Like you see here, we listed the list price, the rates, the invoice date, and the discount term. For question number 1, we use the formula R equal to 1 minus bracket 1 minus R1 bracket 1 minus R2 bracket 1 minus R3. And you need to exchange the R1 following the rate on the above. You can see here, equal to 1 minus bracket 1 minus 0.15 bracket 1 minus 0.12 bracket 1 minus 0.08, and it will become 1 minus 0.688. So the answer is 0.312, or you can write it as 31.2%. Question number 2. We use the formula L times R. It equal to 15555 times 0.312. It become RM 4,853 and 16 cents. So, to answer the question number 3, we use the formula L minus LR. So, 50,555 minus the trade discount, which is 4,853.60, is equal to 10,701.84. So we need to calculate the discount we get because we made the payment before 15 days. So we need to minus 100% minus 8% equal to 92, and then we need to times them. So it will become RM 9,845.70 cents. Okay, for our last question, we need to find the last date to get the 8% discount. So, as we know, we made the payment on 10 October 2020 and it between 15 days after the date. So, it is simple. You just need to do 10 minus 8. 10 plus 15 equal to 25. So, we will get the answer 25 October 2020.
Okay, that's all from us. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and share. Bye-bye.